Hello guys, today I've got the Marshall Monitor free headphones and I'm going to show you how you can easily clean your headphones. Headphones come in close contact with your skin very frequently and sometimes for long periods of time. This may over time cause buildup of dirt and grease that can affect performance and cause skin irritation. You need to clean your headphones regularly to keep them fresh and make them last longer. Unplug any cables before cleaning the headphones. Make sure everything is completely dry before charging the batteries, plugging any cables, or using the headphones. Remove the ear cushions at first by turning them anti-clockwise. So, like this. Now you need to clean them separately. So we can place it here and the second one the same here. So now we've got it. You need to prepare yourself here either water or the 70% isopropyl alcohol or the 75% ethyl alcohol. You need to gently clean the headphones, headband, ear cushions and the cables with a lint-free cloth. Slightly damp with this, either, as I said, it is 3 ingredients like water, alcohol, isopropyl one or the ethyl one. Here I've got lint-free cloth and we can just clean this whole thing. You need to clean this whole thing with this cloth. And so, as I said, you need to just clean it. Avoid getting moisture in any openings or in the speaker mesh. Carefully clean those areas with a dry and a soft brush or the cotton swab. Do not use any sharp objects. Don't use any compressed air. Don't use products containing bleach or oxygen peroxide. Don't submerge the headphones in any cleaning agents. And don't rinse the headphones under the running water. And that should be it. Goodbye.